welcome to my vlog. There was some interesting events this week. My kitty Lizzie likes traveling. She even has her own place in my car. Louis Vuitton organized an event for its regular customers this week, dedicated to Mother's Day. They gave us a tour of unique places in the store and told us a lot of interesting things. We learned that Louis Vuitton also makes furniture, and that the staircase in the Vienna store is unique and was especially made for Louis Vuitton. We learned a lot of new things about jewelry. On this day, could we have perfume packaging hand-painted, which we did. I also bought myself some new sneakers. I'll show you the unboxing at the end of this video. We visited a bird sanctuary. Various types of parrots end up here when their owners die or when the birds are severely injured.
I see you, I close my eyes and I see you. I feel you, I sense you're always there. I hear you, your voice I hear so clearly. So near me, I see you everywhere. And my eyes are filled with tears as you strip me of all my fears. So I stand before you naked and as I am, you fill me with a love of joy. I never cry for pain. I never cry for pain. You heard me, I called your name and you heard me. You saw me, saw a broken man. You love me like no one else ever loved me. You freed me from my pain. And I surrender to your embrace. Tears running down my face. And I stand before you naked and as I am. You fill me with a love too great to understand. Am I dreaming or awake? It's just the same. And I'm crying tears of joy. I never cry, crying tears of joy. I'm crying tears of joy. Crying tears of joy. Tears of joy. Crying tears of joy. I am crying tears of joy. Crying tears of joy.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space.